Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change Windows 11 font. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change the system font in Windows 11, you will need to use the Registry Editor as there's no direct settings for it. You can also adjust text size and enable high contrast mode for your better readability. So first of all, press the Windows key plus R, type regedit and press enter. So once you do this, you will now navigate to the font section. Now go to the prompt that is given and locate the font you want to use. First find the desired font in the settings app and then change the font name. In the Registry Editor, find the font name you want to change and change it to the full name of the font you want to use. For example, if you're using Segoe UI, you can simply change the value from Segoe UI to Arial to use Arial font. Now close the Registry Editor and save the changes and restart your computer and the effect will take place. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.